So today's tip, it was too good and I was unsure if I should share it, but why not? This YouTube has been going pretty long now. I think we're up to like video 90 and whatever. Like I'll share how you can find micro SaaS ideas on Ahrefs. So if you don't know, Ahrefs is I think probably the #1 tool for SEO, but I use it a little bit differently than a lot of other people. Most people will just use Ahrefs to find links and content ideas, but I think one of the most underrated ways to use it is to find micro SaaS ideas or ideas in general of what you can build your product around. So let me hop into the tool and show you exactly how to find micro SaaS ideas on Ahrefs. We're inside the tool right now and you can see I've already done the search. So I'll explain how I applied all the filters and what keyword I searched for it and the entire framework. But basically here are like micro SaaS ideas, right? There's AI powered lead gen, AI sales agent, AI cost, AI for cold calling, AI legal advice. So this is an entire list of micro SaaS ideas. And the great thing is inside Ahrefs, you can see the total volume of how many times this keyword gets searched, which directly correlates to how many people want this solution. So it's a direct correlation to the demand of this product. Plus it tells you the CPC, which is like the click per cost, which is the cost that people pay to get an ad for this keyword. A higher CPC means higher demand, or more people are bidding for this specific keyword, right? So this is also another signal for how profitable this idea is, because typically if there's a higher CPC, then it means that this is a more profitable idea. And so here is the exact step of how I came up and found micro SaaS ideas. So basically I started with a directory. You want to find a site that is either a directory, a forum, basically anything that has a lot of keywords. So I started with this directory. Let me show you guys. So it's like this AI directory, and basically it lists all of the products that have recently launched. Then after I searched for the directory, I went down to organic keywords. So this is a keyword. These are the keywords that this site is ranking for. So this site is ranking for all these keywords, and I applied some more filters. I set the volume all the way up from 50. Volume is the number of people that search for the keyword globally, or in this case, I put the United States, but I think if you search globally, then the volume will be a little bit higher, but I just put the US since like most people would buy from the US. So volume above 50, which means more than 50 people bought search for this keyword. And then the other key part is I set a rule where if the keyword starts with AI, then filter those into the result. And the reason that I have this is because one of the patterns that I noticed is that basically the keywords with AI, whatever, that's like a product idea, right? The tip is to find keyword patterns that will give you ideas. And in this case, one of the patterns is AI product idea or AI solution, right? So that's the keyword. And then I filtered it based on high to low, the CPC. These are the most profitable clicks. And then it just goes down. So $5 per click or $6 per click, which means that it's pretty profitable. So here are some of the ideas like I mentioned. So there's like AI tools for business analysis. So this is a pretty profitable keyword, even though it has a pretty low volume. So the trick is to find keywords that have really high volume plus keywords that have really high cost per click. You can see that was page 1, but there is also page 4 and whatnot. So there's AI course creation. You take the keyword and then you turn it into a AI micro SaaS idea, right? So basically AI course creation, basically creating a platform that allows people or allows users to create courses on whatever topic they want. This one has a search volume of 60 with a cost of $3 per click. Let's find one with a higher volume. You can like just maybe like you want to find keywords that have more than 500 volume. So this will be a lot more than our initial search, but the number of keywords will go down. So it went from 9,000 keywords to only 900 keywords, but this is okay if you're only trying to find one keyword to build a product around. So here, some of these are not safe for work, so we will ignore those. But this one here, so AI contract generator. So if you search for this, let's see if there's any SaaS for this already. So on the first page, there are a few products. But this one, it seems like the main keyword for the site because their domain is literally AI contract generator. But like for the other ones, this one is a sub page. So it's probably like a free mini tool. This one is also a main product. It's a simple app where you type in what you need and then you can create your contract. Probably they will require you to pay after you put in the result. Let's see, it's probably like $20 or something per contract. Let's see. So this app does not work. Let's try to see some pricing to give you guys an idea of how you can price your ideas. So this one, like you can see how basic this app is, right? And this app gets 600 views or 600 searches per month with a cost of almost $6. I don't know. These apps are pretty terrible because they haven't generated the actual result in 30 seconds. So yeah, this is a great opportunity if you guys want to clone it. Here are other keywords like AI legal assistant. So just brainstorming, you could create like an agent that serves as your legal assistant, maybe not your full lawyer, but just an assistant. And you can see some of the other results from here. I created a list of the top 200 keywords or AI micro SaaS ideas that I've exported from Ahrefs. So if you guys want that, I will leave a link of this in the description below. So this is just a Google Sheet. You don't have to put in your email. This will just be a free link. I've exported all 9,000 keywords from Ahrefs and I put it inside Exploding Insights Pro. So you can download the entire CSV here. It will have all 9,000 keywords where you can sort it by volume, the difficulty, the cost per click, and all of that. Yeah, that is inside Exploding Insights with a single click download. And that is it for this video. I will see you guys next time.